Live from the world's capital markets, here are the latest financial headlines brought to you by News Factory.
Hello and welcome to our daily financial outlook. Stay with us for more market headlines.
The euro fell 0.5% against the dollar in the last trading session. The MACD is giving a negative signal. The dollar rose 0.4% against the yen in the last trading session. The ROC is giving a negative signal, going against our overall technical analysis. The pound dipped a slight 0.1% against the dollar in the last session. According to the Williams indicator, we are in an oversold market. The last session saw the Aussie drop 0.4% against the dollar. According to the CCI, we are in an oversold market.
Coming up, our chief analyst's choices for today.
The Nikkei reported that Japan's government has approached the Bank of Japan Deputy Governor Masayoshi Amamiya as a possible successor to central bank chief Haruhiko Kuroda, while Tokyo prepares for the first change of leadership at the BOJ in a decade. Crypto exchange Binance announced it is launching a tax reporting tool to help users stay on track of their crypto transactions for tax reporting purposes, ahead of the tax season in many countries. Apple is reportedly in discussions to launch an Ultra-branded iPhone, which might join the iPhone lineup, launching in 2024. It could sit atop the Pro and Pro Max models as the most premium iPhone ever.
Those were today's major economic events, and now moving on to world financial headlines.
Japan's current account will be released at 2350 GMT. The US Redbook Index at 1355 GMT. The US NFIB Business Optimism Index at 1100 hours GMT. Japan's trade balance will be released at 2350 GMT. The French imports at 0745 GMT. Australia's trade balance at 0000 hours and 30 minutes GMT.
We hope that you've enjoyed Tuesday's financial report. On behalf of all of us here, we wish you a productive trading day. Be sure to join us tomorrow morning for the latest news and events from the financial markets.